So we'll see the next question, question number 9. If A does a job in 10 days, B in 12 days and C in 15 days, in how many days will they do it together? So we'll see the working. So in our concept we have already seen what will be time taken by all the three working together. So A is doing a job in 10 days. In one day he can do 1/10th of the job. So instead of taking reciprocal and LCM and all, so as we saw earlier, we'll find what is LCM of time taken and we'll assume that as the work done, total work to be done. So here A can do a job in 10 days. So question number 9. So A can do a job in 10 days. B can do it in 12 days and C in 15 days. So now instead of finding work done per day, so we find LCM for time taken, that is 10, 12 and 15. So LCM for 10, 12 and 15, so 15, 12 and 10 are not factors of 15. So when you take the next multiple 30, 10 is a factor of 30, but 12 is not a factor of 30. So then 15, 3 is 45, so both are not factors. So when you take 15 into 4, 60, 10 and 12, both are factors of 60. So LCM for 10, 12 and 15 is 60. So here assumed work is 60. So we assume that there are 60 toys to be made. So you can find LCM as finding multiples, or you can split the numbers into factors also and find the LCM. See, so 10 can be split into 2 and 5. So 12 is split into 2 into 2 and 3. So 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, 12 and 15 can be written as, so writing the factors in a line, one below the other. So 15 is 3 into 5. And now for LCM, so we group the terms. So the one which is repeated, we write once. Here, write this 2 ones, and you have 2 5s in common. So write 5. The common here is 3. And the left out one is 2. So multiplying all this, so 5 into 2, 10, 2 into 3, 6, LCM is 60. So LCM here we take as the assumed work. So if the total work done to be 60, if A can do that in 10 days, in one day, so A can do 60 by 10, which is equal to 6 toys. So B in one day, so divide 60 by 12, so in one day he can do 5 toys. And C can do the work in 15 days. So dividing 60 by 15, we get 4. So in one day, C can do 4 toys. So when all the three work together, A, B and C, so they can do in one day. So add all this work done by A, B and C. So 6 plus 4, 10 plus 5, 15. So all the three can do 15 toys per day. So to do this 60 toys, they need 60 divided by 15 equal to 4. So in 4 days they can complete this work. So at the rate of 15 toys per day, they can complete this work 60 toys in 4 days. So therefore, time taken by all the 3 is 4 days. Answer is 4. So answer for question number 9 is option B, 4 days. So the shortcut for this question is find LCM of time taken by A, B and C. So time taken by A, B and C is 10, 12 and 15. So LCM of 10, 12, 15 is 60. So here assumed work is 60 toys. So if A can do the work in 10 days, in 1 day he can make 6 toys, B can make 5 toys, C can make 4 toys. All the 3 can make 15 toys in 1 day. So if all the 3 can make 15 toys per day, to make 60 toys, they need 4 days. So 4 days is the answer. So we'll see the next question. Question number 10. Rakesh, Fazil and Sumit are 3 civil engineers. Rakesh can design a plan of a multi-storied flat in 6 hours and Fazil in 4 hours working alone. All the 3 together can do it in 2 hours. In what time can Sumit do it alone? So we'll see the working. So question number 10. So in this we have 3 persons, Rakesh, Fazil and Sumit. So to represent Rakesh, we'll take as R, for Fazil F and for Sumit yes. So they design a plan of a multi-storied flat. So Rakesh to do this work, so R can do a work in 6 hours and Fazil can do it in 4 hours working alone. So all the 3 when working together, they can do the work in 2 hours. Rakesh, Fazil and Sumit. So they can do the work in 2 hours. So now we'll take LCM of time taken. Here we'll assume that time taken 6 and 4, we assume that LCM of 6 and 4 is the work done and the work here is making number of toys. So LCM for 6 and 4 is 12. So whenever time taken together is given, that will be factor of any one of this time taken. So no need to consider this. So time taken by R is 6 hours, Rakesh is 6 hours and Fazil is 4 hours. So LCM for 6 and 4 is 12. So we assume that there are 12 toys to be made. Here assumed work is, though they are designing a multi-storied flat, so we assume that work here is 12 toys to be made. So here we assume that the work is to make 12 toys. So if R can do the work in 6 hours, in 1 hour, he can do 12 by 6, 2 toys. So if Fazil can do the work in 4 hours, so to make 12 toys, 12 divided by 4, in 1 hour he can make 3 toys. So all the 3 working together, they complete the work in 2 hours. So dividing 12 by 2 in 1 hour, all the 3 can make 6 toys. So in this data we have got Rakesh can do 2 toys, Fazil can do 3 toys. So together they have done 5 toys. When all the 3 are doing 6 toys, Sumit has done only 1 toy per hour. So he can Samit has done 1 toy per hour. So to make 12 toys, he needs 12 hours. So here the question is, what will be time taken by Samit to do the work? Here to design a multi-story building, so we have assumed that the work is 12 toys and proceeded. So to do this work, Samit needs 12 hours. So here to proceed to design this multi-story building, Samit will need 12 hours to complete the work. So here by having the concept that, so Rakesh is doing 2 work, Fazil is doing 3, all the 3 has done 6. So in the 6, when we subtract this 5, so only 1 work remains. So it means that Samit has done 1 work in 1 hour. To make this 12 work, he needs 12 hours. So answer for question number 10 is option C, 12 hours. And here the shortcut is for the 10th question. So we find LCM of time taken by Rakesh and Fazil. So time taken is 6 and 4. So LCM for 6 and 4 is 12. So we assume that the work here is making 12 toys. So assuming that making 12 toys is the work, in 1 hour Rakesh can make 2 toys, and in 1 hour Fazil can make 3 toys, and all the 3 can make 5 toys per hour. When all the 3 can complete the work in 2 hours, per hour they have done 6 toys. So according to this, we get that Samit has done only 1 toy per hour. So to make 12 toys, he needs 12 hours, and answer is 12 hours.